Conventional warehouse stock-taking methods are time-consuming and potentially unsafe. At DroneScan, we have designed a revolutionary new system incorporating state-of-the-art sensor technology, which will streamline your stock-taking process. DroneScan provides a forklift-mounted inventory scanning solution that is faster and safer than traditional inventory scanning methods. The Buffalo combines high-performance barcode and RFID scanners with an industrial, easy-to-use, robust and reliable package. The Buffalo system not only scans barcodes, but it can count pallets in multi-deep shuttle racks. Sensors count how many pallets are in the rack, and a live video feed allows the operator to accurately and quickly position the equipment to count pallets or scan barcodes. DroneScan automatically checks all data against the system and displays the result on screen and on the Buffalo. The operator can also capture other information about the presence, condition and location of pallets and immediately mark items for attention. The easy-to-use DroneScan user interface shows a live virtual map of the warehouse with continual progress updates. A detailed view of the underlying expected data allows for side-by-side comparison in aisle. The user interface, scanners, and integration is end-to-end customizable to the customer's environment. By utilizing the latest in sensor and I/O technology, DroneScan reduces the time-consuming, dangerous, and energy-inefficient effort of manual barcode scanning, and by using live feedback, we improve accuracy of data collected. This is available in a portable, reliable, and affordable package that is easy to use and integrates with existing systems.